You type one thing, one topic, and Claude Code builds you a full content pack. Podcast, slide deck, infographic, explainer video, all from sources it found automatically. No opening a browser, no copying links, no dragging PDFs, just a topic and a command. This is NotebookLM running on autopilot inside your terminal. And once you see what it can actually generate, you're going to wonder why you were ever doing this by hand. One notebook, one research session, audio podcast ready to upload, slide deck and PPTX, not just PDF, editable PPTX, infographic, video, quiz, mind map, all from the same sources, all generated with a single command each. That's what we're building today. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our free AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. This is the /notebooklm skill for Claude Code, built on top of a library called notebooklm-py, version 0.3.4, created by a developer named Teng Lin. Link to the repo is going to be in the description. Go give it a star. This person deserves it. What notebooklm-py does is give you full programmatic access to notebooklm. The web interface is great for clicking around, but you can't automate it. You can't batch generate outputs. You can't schedule it. And the web UI only exports slide decks as PDF. With this, you get editable PPTX files. No API key required. All you need is Python and a Google account. Here's what this can generate. Audio, AI-generated podcast in 4 formats. Deep dive, brief, critique, or debate. Real voices, real conversation, ready to upload. Video. AI explainer video, explainer or brief format. Multiple visual styles. Slide deck full presentation, exported as PDF or editable PPTX. Infographic. Visual summary of your content. Styles include sketchnote, professional, anime, kawaii, and more. Quiz generated as JSON, Markdown, or HTML. Flashcards. Study cards exported as Markdown. Report briefing doc, study guide, or blog post. Mind map hierarchical JSON for visualization tools. And here's what makes sourcing effortless. The web research command. You type a topic, and it automatically searches the web and imports sources for you. NotebookLM, source, add research. What's new in AI April 2026? Fast mode pulls 5 to 10 sources in seconds. Deep mode finds 20+ sources in a few minutes. You can still add YouTube links, PDFs, Google Docs, or files manually if needed. 2 ways to install. Pip install notebooklm-py or npx skills add teng-lin/notebooklm-py. Then authenticate. NotebookLM login. Sign in with Google. Verify. NotebookLM status. Create a notebook. NotebookLM create. What's new in AI April 2026? Add sources using web research. NotebookLM source add-research. What's new in AI April 2026? --mode deep. Example, audio podcast.
Imagine a coworker who, never sleeps. Like one who just autonomously uncovered a catastrophic flaw in global cybersecurity that humans missed for 27 years.
Oh, and who is currently walking around a factory floor in a literal metal body.
Yeah, exactly. And that is not science fiction. Let's be real. That is just the reality of April 2026. So welcome to the deep dive.
Glad to be here.
NotebookLM generate audio. Cover the biggest AI breakthroughs of April 2026. Example slide deck. You can open it and edit it in PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides. Example infographic. Example explainer video.
All right, so let's get right into it. We talk a whole lot about what AI can do, right? But today, we're going to dig into what happens because of what it can do. We're talking about the ripple effect, the hidden consequences of AI becoming, well, not just smart, but flat out superhuman at some really complex stuff. I mean, just let that sink in for a second.
One notebook, one set of sources, 4 commands, full content pack. No more opening NotebookLM. No more hunting for sources manually. No more repeating the same workflow across tools. One research session. Let it find sources automatically, then batch generate everything. Because it runs in the CLI, you can automate it, schedule it, run it headless. One topic becomes a full content system, generated while you sleep. This is the /notebooklm skill for Claude Code, built on top of a library called notebooklm-py, version 0.3.4, created by a developer named Teng Lin. Link to the repo is going to be in the description. Go give it a star. This person deserves it. If this was useful, hit like. Subscribe if you want weekly AI tool breakdowns. If you want to go deeper, prompts, experiments, workflows, join the AiTLDR community. Link is in the description. Drop a comment. What topic would you run through NotebookLM first? If enough people pick the same one, I'll build a full follow-up using that exact topic. Next video, we go deeper into Claude Code skills and automation. See you there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.